The portfolio feature on TradingView allows you to track and analyze real-world investments directly on the platform. It provides a central dashboard where positions, performance, and risk metrics can be reviewed in one place. Used correctly, it becomes a structured way to monitor how a portfolio is evolving over time. One useful practice is setting a benchmark during the portfolio setup. Selecting a relevant index or exchange-traded fund, such as the S&P 500 or Bitcoin, creates a reference point for performance. In the performance view, this allows you to compare your portfolio's returns with the broader market and quickly see whether the strategy is outperforming or lagging the benchmark. Building the portfolio can also be done efficiently by importing existing data. Instead of entering every position manually, trade history can be uploaded using a CSV file. Another option is importing assets directly from an existing TradingView watchlist. This helps establish the portfolio quickly while ensuring that historical activity is captured accurately. The feature also includes advanced analytical tools that evaluate the portfolio's risk profile. Metrics such as the Sharpe ratio, Sortino ratio, and beta provide insight into how returns are being generated relative to volatility. These measurements help determine whether performance is coming from consistent growth or from exposure to higher levels of risk. Accuracy improves further when all cash flows are recorded. Deposits, withdrawals, and dividend payments should be entered alongside trade activity. Including these movements ensures that metrics such as total gain and annualized yield reflect the true performance of the portfolio rather than just the results of individual trades. Used together, these features turn the portfolio dashboard into more than a simple position tracker. It becomes a structured environment for comparing performance, analyzing risk, and maintaining an accurate record of investment activity over time.